Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
One of the big problems with Goa's politics is that all politicians and all political parties are just worried about jumping from one party to a second party, alliance with a third party, joining hands after the election. No one is talking about a vision for Goa. The only political party that is talking about a vision for Goa is Aam Aadmi Party. Every time Mr. Kejriwal has come to Goa, he has presented a guarantee for the people of Goa. Aam Aadmi Party is the only one talking about the lives of ordinary people, about water, about electricity, about jobs, about schools, about pilgrimages for elders, for financial independence for women. People of Goa are tired of this politics, jumping from one party to the second party. जिसने ज़्यादा पैसा दे दिया उस पार्टी में चले गए. And I think people of Goa are now looking for change. In Goa, the Aam Aadmi Party is in full swing. And at this point of time, Aam Aadmi Party is gearing up for the elections. Tomorrow we have a big rally by Mr. Kejriwal. Big social activists who have come to Aam Aadmi Party. And more such people are likely to come.